When using simple flags and filtering, all too often, aggregate data ends up in the wrong bucket. You waste time cleaning up flags and categories before you can start your analysis. In this lightning demo, I'll show you how LASTRADA's in-use data structure naturally prevents errors and allows users to efficiently find and analyze aggregate information. When I'm in an aggregate plant testing aggregates, I use the Aggregate FPC. This allows me to look at the aggregate plant that we're working at, along with the operating mode that the aggregate plant is running in, the products associated with that operating mode, along with the tests that I would like to perform on those products. When I'm testing at the hot mix asphalt plant and I'm looking at aggregates that are being received, I use the aggregate receiving inspection. This allows me to look at the aggregates that are available for use for hot mix asphalts at that plant. By capturing the data based on the end use perspective, I can then do statistics either from the perspective of the aggregate plant using the Aggregate FPC, or from the hot plant looking at the aggregates coming in from that aggregate plant. And now here's an example of a statistics report from the aggregate plant or from the perspective of the hot plant. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out our other lightning demo videos at lastradapartners.com/resources or visit our contact page to speak with one of our engineers.